Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're going to be making pancakes today. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're the Meiring sisters. Today we're going to be making pancakes. Yes. So let's get started. We've got this packet that is easy mix. It's pretty easy. It gives you just some basic instructions. Yeah. If I could just open it, that would be great. It says place easy mix into a bowl and then lightly beat eggs in oil and water. Okay. We're gonna sieve the mix to make it even. Oh, I know. Sorry. Sorry. So I'm gonna sieve this into this bowl. We actually know how to cook, so it's just been a while. It's been a while. Okay, so we are nearly finished sieving the mixture. It says lightly beat eggs, oil and water. Looking good, looking good. There you go. Good job, Mikey. It says I need to beat the eggs or water together. So I've just cracked the eggs and I put the oil in and now I'm putting in the water. Look how fluffy that is. Now it says I must add the mixture of the water and the eggs and the oil to the easy mix. I'm going to be pouring it in, but it says I need to whisk it until there are no lumps. Looks good. Looks very good, guys.
Who's looking good? The food or you?
Me.
Maybe both.
Okay, it's actually looking nice. Looking quite yummy. For those who doubted us. You know.
I don't think not that bad at cooking.
Actually, it smells good. It even tastes good like that.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Yummy!
Allow the batter to stand for 30 minutes before use. Batter can stand overnight.
So,
We're going down a little bit, cleaning up a little bit, and then you guys will see us when it's done. Is it Meiring or the Meiring sisters? Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Meiring sisters. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Meiring sisters. We have let our batter sit for 30 minutes or a little bit longer. It still looks pretty thin and not like that thick, so we'll see. But
quite watery,
I mean, it's okay. It looks promising. It looks promising.
And now I'm going to be making the famous sugar and cinnamon mixture.
So right now,
But I just want to have like
well, it's light brown
Just
sugar.
pour it.
Just lightly coat the frying pan, and then we have to put like a certain amount in, and then just hope for the best, I guess.
Why you have to do that much?
This is the cinnamon and sugar mixture.
And I've made the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Yeah, I haven't made pancakes in a long time.
You
Do I have to flip the pancake?
Yes.
Sure.
So we are.
Oh, it looks great. Eh?
We have our first.
Looks amazing.
Oh no!
You.
So am I doing the next one?
Okay, yes. Okay.
Bella the chef is coming now.
Oh, no ways. You see, I'm better at baking. Like anything in the oven, I'm like all good. But as soon as it comes to cooking, and I don't get the stove. Like, maybe I'm just having an off day.
Maybe just shit at cooking.
Maybe that too.
This one seems promising, guys.
It actually does. It looks super nice.
It's literally so perfect.
Oh my goodness. That actually looks so nice.
Guys, I'm getting better at
It
this.
looks like you could get that from a restaurant.
From this one looks
Look
so
at how
sad.
bad this one is. This is the baby one. It was the last one. So sweet, so sweet. We are doing the final touches and we are going to be rolling them into little pancakes. Watching our pancake video.
Thank you for watching. And here's the final
now.
product. They're baked to perfection.
Oh yeah, please
Thanks for
like
watching.
and subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Bye guys!